Well, this fire is 100% a wind-driven fire. And most of the fires we get in northern Arizona are wind-driven fires. Typically, we catch the fires after the wind dies down, once the wind event goes away. In the springtime, sometimes we get 5, 6, 7-day wind events, and that's what we're seeing here. Unfortunately, it was pretty devastating to the community that it burned through. It's just a typical wind-driven fire. We have a lot of dry fuels on the ground, and when there's a start that happens on a windy day, they generally take off, and it's hard to catch them. The environment is not very friendly. It was blowing 70 miles an hour. Rocks were hitting everybody in the face. It was very smoky, and we're working directly in the heat. These guys are working incredibly hard. They know the value's at risk. This is their community. They're fully aware of what's going to happen if the fire goes through homes.